Lotus Notes has been around a long time, more than 30 years in fact. And right from the beginning, Notes made it really easy for just about anyone to create simple, customized business applications. So now, 30 years later, there are a lot of those applications out there. Many organizations have thousands or even tens of thousands of Lotus Notes databases. And now it's time to archive or migrate them. It is possible to export some data right out of Lotus Notes, but you can only save the contents of a view, and only as plain text. Much of the valuable information held in Lotus Notes databases is in rich text or file attachments, or may not even appear in any view. You need a better solution. You could keep a Domino server going just for the archives, but who wants to pay license fees and worry about upgrades just in case you might need it one day? And you may be switching to a new platform like Microsoft SharePoint, and you want to transfer your notes data there. Teamstudio Export solves those problems. Export lets you easily transform your Lotus Notes data into HTML websites you can distribute to users royalty-free, PDF files you can upload to a content management system, Microsoft SharePoint lists, and more. First, Export converts your databases to a standard XML format. Once that's done, you don't need your Domino servers anymore, so you can shut them down and forget about them forever, and the license fees that go with them. Then, you can create a website that contains all the data from your Notes database. All the views are reproduced, and Export creates full-text indexes that make searching for data a snap. When you open a Notes document in your browser, it's rendered just like it was in the Notes client, including rich text and file attachments. And you can output your documents to PDF files and then import them into the content management system of your choice. If you're moving to Microsoft SharePoint, you can easily pick which data to include, then upload that data directly from the XML archive to a SharePoint list. You can also easily select any data to export to CSV format for transfer into just about any other type of system. Teamstudio Export, the quick and simple way to export your old Lotus Notes databases to HTML websites, PDF files, SharePoint lists, and more. For more info, visit teamstudio.com/export.